I keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that plump.
What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be reviewing a wig for you. Yay! This is going to be a lace front wig, and this is going to be my first time actually putting on a lace front wig and trying it out. So a company sent me a wig for them to try and review for them, and I decided to film it because why not? This is my first time, so why not? So the company that I got the hair from is called ReadyWig. I tried to get like a reddish kind of wig like this because I don't have a wig that looks like this. So I love the color. So far the hair feels really smooth. We'll get into the review after, but it looks really nice so far, and the color really screamed to me. So I can't wait to try this on. What this hair comes with is a box, obviously. When I received it, the box was kind of ripped open. I don't know if that's from... It came with like a hair care card where it just kind of tells you, you know, what to do with the hair, how to keep it clean. It came with 2 wig caps, I believe. I think these wig caps are light, which sucks because I'm not light. I'm not less light. I'm not dark, but I'm not light like this. So yeah, and then it came with a bottle, like I guess it's for water to like smooth it down. I don't know what I would use this for. I would probably use this for like my personal like little whatever I want to put in a spray bottle, because I like having these in the house anyway. So they gave us that as well. I'm not sure why, but you know, they gave us that as well. And then I'm gonna just put the wig cap on. I don't know, but when I put on like other wigs, ooh, this is cute already. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut the lace off. Okay guys, so far I like this hair. I really love the color, and it's really pretty, I think, with my kind of skin tone. Even if you were lighter, I guess it would be cute too. Even darker. Like, I think this color could actually work on a lot of skin tones. That's why I picked this color. It's just really versatile. So the claims on this wig is it's heat friendly. It's a heat friendly hair. Up to 180 degrees. So it is Restyle-able, and you can straighten it, which I will do for you on camera. The hairstyle is a red wavy lace front wig, and it's just in the front here. It does have a lot of, you know, room for you to like change the part if you would like. So this is a synthetic wig, but they do have human hair and that come in bundles so that you can make your own wigs, or you can do a sew-in or things like that. This wig actually costs $42.99. It used to be $53.79, so you got $10.80 off. So yeah, I think that's a pretty good price. Alright guys, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this down below, and also let me know if I've missed anything, if you want to know any information or details about the wig, let me know down below. Ask me a question. I will leave all of ReadyWig's information down below, as well as the direct link to get this wig here. I really love the color. I'm so surprised in the quality of this hair. But yeah guys, let me know if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you in a later video.